Hey loves, welcome to my channel. This is Whitney Denise. I am here bringing you guys a quick brow tutorial. So first I started off with our Got2b brow gel in the color clear. You can get that on Amazon. I'll link it below. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit and dry before I go ahead and start filling in my brows. So I started off with the NYX brow pencil in the color chocolate to start outlining my brow at the bottom, and then I started with the top, and then after I find the shape that I like and I desire, I'm going to start filling it in a bit. You don't want to be too heavy-handed. If you like a darker brow, I say go for it, but I like more of a semi-dark brown, so I'm going to keep on going in and filling it in until it's to my satisfaction. In the front, you want to be light-handed because you want to give it more of a gradient effect. I went in with another brow pencil to give it more dark of a color, and then I went in with my camo concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going to go ahead and sculpt the bottom of that brow with an angled brush, just to give it more of a clean look. Again, you don't have to use two brow pencils. I just chose to do so because that's what I prefer. Then I'm going to go on the top and I'm going to sculpt the top of the brow as well to give it more of a clean look. I normally will go in with a lighter concealer at the bottom, but since I am just doing the brow and not full face, I just went in with more of a natural color that's close to my skin tone. And then right here, you're just going to blend it out, and voila.